Hi everyone, thank you for being here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Juan. If you are interested in geospatial data or GIS, geographic information system, remote sensing, there is something that you should know. That's what I call like a slider. This is like a tool that Google Engine it's able to provide us to improve our analysis, to check what is like the behavior, like to make like a comparison between before and after. As you can see, like in this image, you can observe like a before and after event. For this activity, this video, we will take advantage of like a flood event in Valencia, España, in Valencia, Spain. That is like really good site to explore and see all the abilities and advantage of using this code. So let's get started. At the beginning, we need to define like a specific that this function works to remove our cloudiness instead of like the byte. We need to define what is like the zeroth byte, and after that, I will define like equal to zero, and I will mask out like a cloudiness pixel, and I will provide like an updated image to work properly. This function it's applied to those image collection. We need to be first we need to define like before and after collection. So we call like our data set, and we need to establish a filter, and depending on our cloud event. In one that we will take like images from at the beginning of October and like last week of October, and we need to like clip or only take like the images that is overlapping with my geometry, right? So, and I put this filter um to get like only the image well with the 20% of less than 20% of cloudiness, and I apply here like the function to remove like a cloudiness in those images, right? And in this likewise I applied to after event. So I know that the event was at the beginning of November, the first week of November. That's why I need to find like a image in that period, after that event. It's the same. I apply the same filter, and I need to get like the image that they are like overlapping with my area of interest, my geometry, and I apply here like the function to remove cloudiness. So purchase. Okay, next, like the next function is like our NDWI. It's basically to estimate like the water content in a specific area. But you can develop any function to identify what is like the change between like before and after, right? So in that case, I chose like the NDWI, and here what I made was try to, based on this function, I gonna estimate for my before image collection and after collection. I going to estimate like NDWI, right? So right now this variable has like the image collection, the band plus NDWI band. And I gonna choose like the median. I gonna choose like the median of this variable of this band, and I design like this specific color ramp to see like the difference between different level of water content. So based on this color ramp, I apply to the previous images, the previous image, and here is like the main thing, because here I will design my slider. Basically all these product I will need to define like before and after. but you can use whatever you want, NDWI or digital elevation model. It doesn't matter. The main thing of this video is like to establish, to learn how to design like an slider tool. Here we need to initialize our maps. We need to initialize, we need to define like a before and after. That's why I create my left map and my right map. In that case, okay, after our two maps, we need to define our specific zoom level. To do this, we need to set our left and right map. We need to establish like a specific geometry. We need to put like a define like a specific geometry and the level zoom, as you can see in that way. So after that, we are going to design, or we are going to add a specific layer per side. After that, I will need to define the zoom level on my left map and on my right map. To do this, I will need to set like the before result of NDWI on my left map, and the result of like the after result of NDWI on my right map. As you can see, I set like these labels. The next step, I will need to design like labels. To do this, I need to create a new variable to set like the title of my map. I need to design like before, and I set like the month, and I set like the position, and I set the position for this label. So after that, I apply the same thing for after result. And what I'm going to do is like add those labels to like the left map. I'm going to add those new feature. And finally, that is like the engine. Basically, you need to split your panel, and then you're gonna use like this sentence. And I'm going to say, okay, in my first panel, I need to see my left map. Then I'm going to see like a before on my left, and like a after on my right side, and like in a horizontal way. So, and then finally, I'm going to link both maps. In that way, I'm going to set like a left map here and right map here, and I will need to use this sentence to clear like the interface. Finally, we should run our code and see what happened, right? So we can see that is the result. You can see like the effect. That was like one of like the hardest moment for Spain, and we can observe like the big change, instead of the water content. So we can observe like a before and after, before like with the date, and you can observe here like the title for after. Hey guys, okay, that was all my video for this opportunity. I will be happy to read your comment, share, subscribe. See you next time.